Faux frosting is a fun and easy way to add a touch of realism to your projects. Whether you're staging a photo shoot or adding a touch of whimsy to your home decor, faux frosting can help you achieve the look you desire without the mess or calories of real frosting. The simple technique uses everyday household items to create a remarkably convincing illusion. With just a little bit of practice, you'll be amazed at the realistic frosting effects you can achieve. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your creativity and ingenuity. Let's gather our materials and embark on this exciting crafting journey together. Before we begin, let's gather the few simple materials needed to create our faux frosting masterpiece. You will need shaving cream. Choose a thick white shaving cream for best results. Oils, a few drops of baby oil or mineral oil, can be added to the shaving cream for extra shine and pliability. A microfiber cloth, this will be used to clean up any messes and to help shape the faux frosting. And a shaping tool, a small spatula, butter knife, or even a toothpick can be used to create swirls and peaks in your faux frosting. Now that we have our materials assembled, let's move on to the fun part, creating our faux frosting. Now let's create our faux frosting masterpiece. First, dispense a generous amount of shaving cream onto a clean, flat surface. If desired, add a few drops of oil to the shaving cream and mix gently. Next, use your shaping tool to spread the shaving cream onto the surface you wish to frost. Finally, create swirls, peaks, and other decorative effects using your shaping tool. Congratulations, you've created a beautiful faux frosting effect. Here are a few tips and tricks to help you achieve the most realistic faux frosting results. Use a light touch when applying and shaping the shaving cream. Experiment with different shaping tools to create a variety of textures and effects. If the shaving cream starts to become dry, simply add a few more drops of oil and mix gently. To clean up, simply wipe away the shaving cream with a damp microfiber cloth. Faux frosting is a versatile technique that can be used for a variety of purposes. Try using it to create realistic-looking cakes and cupcakes for photography props, or use it to add a touch of whimsy to your home decor. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and have fun with it.